Hello, you welcome to my channel. My name is Engineer Ladan Bashini John. In this video, I want to teach you how to use Chatgpt to write your project. What did I say? I want to teach you how to use Chatgpt to write your project. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Google search, look for Chatgpt. Can you see it? Chatgpt. Here I already have it. It reads Chat. GPT login because I already have account. Meanwhile, if you don't have account in ChatGPT, you need to go and download ChatGPT and to create account. Okay, I think I'm going to make a video on how to do that. But in this video, you're going to learn how to use ChatGPT to write your project. So tap on ChatGPT login. Now look at it. Tap your top left hand corner, ChatGPT. Click on it. You give it a time, it's going to load. It's loading. Just exercise patience. It's loading. It's loading. Good, it has loaded. Now click on start now, just below. Start now. Can you see? Fantastic. Now, where is written message ChatGPT, click on it. Now, we're going to tell ChatGPT to write table of content on this particular topic for us. Now let's assume you're going to write on a project topic that says how to produce or producing biomass, or rather biofuel from biomass. Producing biofuel from biomass. So now we're going to tell ChatGPT to write a possible table of content. Okay, table of content on this topic. Now tell it, say kindly write me a table of content on this my project topic that says, you can put it in quotation mark or quotation marks, that says producing biofuel from biomass. Okay, from biomass. Now close the quotation marks. Then look at this arrow that is facing up. You're going to tap on it. But first, let's check to be sure that we have written it correctly. Kindly write me a table of content on this my project topic that says producing biofuel from biomass. Good. So tap on this arrow and wait for ChatGPT to give us a possible table content. What can you see? Very interesting, right? This is sweet. This is interesting. Now see the response of ChatGPT. It says, sure, here is a sample of table of contents for your project on producing biofuel from biomass. Table of contents. So first you're going to have introduction. Under introduction, you're going to have background, importance of biofuel, purpose. Then the next one you're going to have literature review. The next one, so there are things under literature review. The next one you're going to have biomass source for biofuel production. Under it, there are things you're going to write. Another one, very, very interesting. What can you see? Hey, if you're enjoying this video, I want you to give me a like. I want you to subscribe to my channel. I want you to share this video. Because it's going to help someone. Okay, it's going to help someone. This is very interesting. So back to it. You can see it has given you a clear format on how to write your project topic, or rather the content of your project topic, up to reference. Look at it. Very interesting. Okay, now it now says, feel free to modify or expand upon this outline to better suit your project specific needs. All right. Can you see? This is very, very interesting. So all you need to do here is to just click on it. I think I'm going to make a video how you're going to click on this thing and go to Microsoft Word and paste it so that you can do a bit of editing. At this point, I want to say thank you very much for your time. Thank you for listening. Don't forget, as I said, to give it a like, share this video because it's going to help someone, and then stay tuned. I see you next time. God bless you and bye-bye.